Hello? Your mic is not working, I think. Are you dead?
Hello?
Hello!
Is it working?
It's working. It's working. Oh my god.
Why you...
How you doing?
Is it working?
Eh? It's working. It's working. Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, happy birthday!
Oh my god.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I know I sent a backup.
I want to watch
video
it though. Yeah, you sent the video in case you couldn't make it, but I do want to watch it. Now I'm curious.
I made it.
You know what? I might watch it anyway at the end because at least in that one you are probably not sleepy. At least not as sleepy as now.
I was awake for that one, I think.
Okay, then I'll check that one out anyway.
Okay, well, happy birthday! I'm really looking forward to seeing the live.
Yeah, thank you. I'm excited too. I need to see the results.
I'm excited. Yeah.
Now go back to sleeping, yeah.
Oh, good night.
Oh, bye bye. Good night.
Bye, happy birthday.
Thank you.
How do I get out of this?
Yeah, I'm gonna kick you. Too tired to leave the room. The Ina video when she was not sleepy as fuck. I wonder, we will probably have a difference like night and day. Here and go. Wow.
My dearest Takanashi Kiara.
She's like a god.
If you're receiving this message, it means I, Ninomai Inanis,
have overslept.
Of hololive English myth, has failed to wake up in time.
You didn't though, I'm proud of you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, you woke up.